Here are the youth ladies having some fun. Nicely done. Coming around
town.
A nice little, we love you, Dave. Here she comes.
Can't forget the big guy.
Nice.
Oh gosh. There we go. Okay.
That's alright, they can still see it. That's good.
Okay. I think we should go around the top. What do you guys think?
Oh, that's good. That's good stuff right there. Look at that.
Oh my God.
And coming around.
I'll come back around and get it.
So fun.
This is awesome. My dad's truck. Oh my God. Yeah. I've never done
This was not my idea, only my approval.
I've never done a prank before, so this is pretty dang awesome.
Yes, pranks are definitely a part of the whole youth process.
Yeah. I just hope I don't get ground dragged. What else do I have to lose? What else do I have to lose other than my head?
All right.
You're bad ripper. You don't know how to rip it, do you?
Well done.
And then, here, help me pull it off. And then walk over to the other side.
Oh, good call.
Okay. And then pull it down.
Nice. This is a well thought out plan.
I know. Keep going on the other side again. Pull it down tight. Where did they go? Hi. Oh. Okay. Two more on this one. And Kevin. We were going to do it next weekend, but I was too excited. I couldn't wait.
When you get an idea that good, it just can't wait.
We were going to bring spray paint and then spray paint on it. Yeah, but I'm afraid we would have gotten it on the car. Yeah, that's why we did it. Like I was thinking, we're like the whole pranking. I'm like, wait, it's not spray paint. Yeah, like removable stuff. That would have been great.
So you go here. Nicely done.
Hey, want to do a walk around?
Yes, good call. All right. So here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Depending on how much is left, I would even try to maybe do something like with a tire somehow.
Yeah, go around the bottom.
Yeah, something like that. Look at this. All the way around here. And of course, the lovely, we love you, Dave. And here they go all the way around the tires. Aren't they brilliant? Look at them.
On my dad's car. Oh my god. I think we have like a ribbon or something. Oh, Merry Christmas.
That's awesome.
We should do this with the church sometime. We should have had a sign saying welcome to the church. Yeah. Okay, now time for Kevin.
All right, take two.